was really great. I loved how they expressed their language and culture through dance and songs. I really understood about the culture of Tibet and how we need to spread awareness about the Chinese invasion and we need to do something.
It was an amazing experience for us. It actually took us through the Tibetan culture, the feelings, the emotions, and how they exactly felt about not being given the freedom to follow their religion and culture. There was so much insight into the His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and it clearly showed us like why you're fighting for the cause. It was an amazing show by the teachers, the students, and the school, and we wish Tibetans all the best from the deep bottom of our heart.
Even based on like how people look here and everything. And then I learned a lot about the Chinese invasion more and how everyone needs to work towards helping Tibetans and how the Chinese are trying to extract and eradicate Tibetan Buddhism from the world. And
To come to the school to learn more about the culture, the identity, and what the Tibetans hold very close to their heart. In spite of being away from Tibet, right in Bailakuppe, we could see a Tibet here. That was beautiful.
Like Little Tibet.
A little Tibet, and with all those little children,
Yes.
you very successfully you were able to pass on this culture and identity of yours to the next generation.
Yes.
Hats off to all of you. Our children are going back with a lot of learning from each one of those little kids and the parents who are there because they spoke to us about their migration journey. It was really amazing, and we would like to come back every year with different
Sure.
things for us to learn about this and for us to exchange the culture. And we would also love to see you at our school in again.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you so much.
First, I was really scared, but then after I said it, then I started feeling better. At first, I saw a lot of kids, but then later, when it came down to explaining what we were supposed to do, then I felt a little better.
what I felt was when I first started the presentation, and then I felt that giving new information about our own country to different people is really helpful for supportive people. My whole family was really proud, and I'm also proud that I could share something about my own country to the other people